Hey there guys, today I'm back with a super big box that I want to unbox. Now this box was sent to me by my friend over in America. I have been anticipating this box for so long, you can't even imagine it. I'm so excited it's finally here. Some of these things I think I bought with my own money, but I couldn't get them in Germany, so she shipped them to me. And other things are gifts, I suppose. So let's see what is in this box. I'm so excited. I wanted to film this yesterday, but I didn't have enough time. I was so pissed. So let's get into this. Oh my god, I see a lot of sweets. So I love sour candy and I told her so. And one of my favorites is these Sour Patch Kids. I can't get them here really, I think. I haven't seen them anywhere. And they're really good. I love these. Then she also got me some like these worms. We also have them here. I think I don't actually know what this is, a German brand. I don't know. What is Trolli? But yeah, I love these, especially the ones that are blue and red. Those are the best. And if you disagree, I don't like you. Okay. Oh my gosh, she got me another bag of these Sour Patch Kids. I think these are different, are they? They look different. Oh, okay. No, I don't know. Well, this one says now including blue. But here, this has blue ones as well. So this is kind of, I don't know. But yeah, I love these. Okay, and then there's more. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Yes! It's Rainbow Nerds. I love these so much. I got myself 2 packs of these, but in Germany they're super expensive and you can only buy them online. So yeah, I have a huge addiction with these and she got me 2 packs. Yes, so good, so good. I'm so excited already. I love these. Okay, there's so much stuff in here. Then I see a lot of tea. Is this tea as well? Yes, tea. I love tea. I really do. Okay, so we have organic ginger aid, promotes healthy digestion. Well, I love ginger tea. It helps me with my throat though. This is a harmonious blend of green tea with lemongrass and spearmint. Okay, this is great. I love green tea. Okay, more ginger, more green tea, and then this one is green ginger. Yeah, this is perfect. This bright green tea blend has a kick from ginger and a sweet note of pear. Oh, that sounds good. I love these. Going to take these to work because I need some green tea for work usually. Okay, what is this? Okay, I think this. Oh my god! Oh my god! It's an octopus! Oh my god. Okay. Is it broken or? Okay, it's definitely an octopus, and I think it's supposed to be like a necklace? I don't know. But it's so cute! I love it! Oh, I love octopuses? What do you say? I love squids, so this is great. It's so beautiful. It looks so majestic. I love it. Oh my god. Oh, there's more nerds! Yes! Oh my god, these are great. They have these rainbow packs, but then they also do these little ones that have 2 different flavors. And this is grape and strawberry. And I think the pink and the purple ones are my favorite. They are my favorite. I don't think so. I know it for sure. So, yes. Okay, but I think maybe I got all the sweets now. Maybe. I don't know. Okay, the next thing is so super cute. I can't even believe this. I can't. Oh my god. It is. Ah! It's shoes. It's Mickey and Minnie shoes. And oh look, they're kissing. They're freaking kissing. Isn't that so cute? I love these. Oh my god. I'll have to try these on later, but oh, I love these. And I love this style of shoe. I wear these all the time. Like I have a couple. They're not Vans, but just the style of Vans, and I love that. So yeah, these are Disney shoes. Oh, so cute. How did she get all of that into a box? I don't... Oh no, oh no. Oh no, I wasn't ready for this. Oh my god, is this stickers? I think so. Yes, it's stickers of this Pusheen cat. Oh, you can't see it because of the lights. Look at this. Oh my god, I love this cat so much. Like every second sticker I send on Facebook is this cat. So, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, I want to put these everywhere. I love them. More nerds? Yes! Oh, these are nice. Here's a pair of tweezers. Now I have to say I'm really bad with plugging my eyebrows. I don't do it by myself. I always have them done. But these are glittery, sparkly tweezers and they look very sharp and very good. Okay, I just grab things and I don't know, it's no order here. But this is a Rimmel mascara. Now Rimmel is quite a funny story because when I started doing like YouTube and stuff like that, and Rimmel slowly became more famous, had more famous products and such, they stopped selling in Germany, or at least where I live. So I can't get Rimmel anymore, but they sold here for a long time. This is the Lash Accelerator Mascara. Oh, my boyfriend's so gonna love this. Oh. Oh, it's so cute. It's a baby dino tea infuser. Now, we were looking at these. My boyfriend actually has a pack as a tea infuser. But yeah, we were looking at these and we were like, oh, they're so cute. Oh my god, this is adorable. Look at this. It has a little head. Oh my god. So I'm going to give that to my boyfriend later on and he's gonna love this. We drink a lot of tea, so this is perfect. Okay, now I see this amazing palette. What are you? It says Real Colors. Is that a brand? I don't know. Long Wear eyeshadow palette. I guess Real Colors is the brand. And it has super bright eyeshadows. That purple would have been so perfect for my look today. Oh my. It's gorgeous. Okay, I'll definitely play with that in the next video. And then, oh my god, I've been looking forward to getting this. And when I show you this, you'll probably know how long I've waited for this freaking box. But, oh my god, I'm so excited. So this is something I bought myself, but I couldn't have it shipped to Germany, so... It's this Benefit blush palette. It was a holiday palette, cheeky sweet spot. And oh my god. I mean, it's sealed. Oh my god, it's here. Okay, so this is a little tin case. It's so pretty. Oh my god. Yes! Oh, they're so pretty. Oh, it has, oh my god. Oh, I'm so happy. Like, Benefit blushes are just so freaking expensive. Oh my god. So we have Dandelion, Bella Bamba, Sugar Bomb, this is Rocketeur, Coralista, the Hula Bronzer, and a little What's Up thingy-majiggy. I mean, I don't use a lot of blush, so with a pot of a Benefit blush, I would last forever. I even have one. And I mean, I could never use these up, so this little palette is just perfect for someone like me who just wants to try these things. It even comes with a little thingy here. Okay, it has some instructions and stuff like that. Oh, I'm so happy. Happy. Oh! So then we have a little nail file. This is cute. I actually need a new one. My nail file is giving up, so that's perfect. What's this? This says Bulgari. Tea bag for bath. Oh yes, great. Place a tea bag in very hot water and add warm water until desired temperature is attained. Immerse yourself in your bath and enjoy the relaxing effects of the Bulgari Eau de Parfum Le Blanc. No, that was horrible. Tea bag. So, yeah, great. I love this. I love anything for bath. I'm just a huge junkie. Okay, and then we have this little bag full of lip products. Oh my god! I love lip products. That's my huge like my weakness, like lip products are my thing. And when I look out the window, it's snowing and it just makes this like Christmas. Basically, it's so good. Oh, I'm so happy right now. So this is not a lip product. This is the Makeup Forever Smoky Extravagant little sample of mascara. I guess it's mascara. It says dramatic impact and graphic precision. So yeah, I guess it's just, yeah, it's a mascara sample, which is great. I love these samples so much more than full-size mascaras because I always struggle to use them up. I don't know, I don't do like 10 coats every time I wear mascara, so it's just always too much in there. Oh, yes! Oh, this is, oh my god! This is the NARS Cruella little lip pencil. It's just like the small size. Oh my god, I wanted to have this for so long. Okay, this is funny. But yeah, NARS products are definitely on my list. I can get NARS online, but they're really expensive, and so usually I tell myself that I don't really need them. Then this is a Palladio Velvet Matte Cream Lip Color. I think the color is Brocade, and it's a pinkish color. Looks quite nice. These look a lot like the Maybelline, what were these? The elixirs. The packaging is super similar. So I guess the product will be different. It sounds more like a liquid lipstick, but we'll see. I'll try this. Then we have another one of the NARS. I think that was a little set of 2. And this is that the color? I'm confused. Well, if this is the color name, I can't pronounce it. This is more like a wearable color. And this could be the name, I don't know. Then this is also Palladio. This is something, I think I can get it online from the US, but I think this is more like an affordable brand. I don't know. I haven't really looked into it. This herbal lipstick. That sounds interesting. And the color is Coral Punch. Now, if you know me, I love me some oranges and some corals. Corals. Yes. Okay, I can't open this. These little packaging thingies are just the worst. Okay, and 2 more products, I guess. Is this 2 or is this 1? No, it's 1 product. Okay, this is Skin Dimitri James Twin Set Collagen Boost Lipstick and Wet Lips Gloss. And it's also like a pale pink color, which is great. Definitely very wearable color. Okay, so I'm super excited to try all these. Oh my god. Okay, that was that little bag. And I think what's in here now is t-shirts. So I got these myself. And they have the same print on them. Yes, they do. Okay, I'm going to show you the one that's for me. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is cute. It says, I never dreamt I'd grow up to be a super sexy cat lady, but here I am, killing it. This is so cute. I love this. So I'll have to try it on, and you'll probably see it in an outfits video soon. Oh my goodness, this was amazing. I'm more than happy right now. This is probably way too long right now, but I wanted to open a couple of book packages, so if you're interested, you can hang on here and let me unbox these books quickly. But I want to say to my friend Cassie, thank you so much for sending this. I know you feel bad because it took a little while, but I'm still super happy. And oh my god, I don't even know what my favorite thing is. I'm just so overwhelmed, and yeah, thank you so much for shipping this to me, and I don't know, I'm just so happy right now. Okay, before I start crying or anything like that, let me show you the books I got recently. So first of all, I have 3 book depository books. So this one is a Christmas book. It's the Cozy Christmas Tea Shop, and it was on sale for Black Friday or something like that for €5, so I picked it up. And this is a sequel, The Tale of Kitty in Boots. Oh, this is so cute. So cute. I love their little little bookmarks. Oh my god, it's an Alice in Wonderland. Oh, it's so pretty. Bookmark. And the book is The Bookseller of Kabul. This is about some, I don't know, journalist or something like that who lived in Kabul for some time. And I think this is going to be very interesting. I love reading about these kind of Arab countries, Middle East. Yeah, so this sounded good. It was also on sale for €5. And since that Christmas tea shop book was a sequel, I decided to get the first book as well, The Cozy Tea Shop in the Castle. And this series is about Ellie, and she is running a little tea shop in a castle. It's called Claverham Castle. But there's a Lord Henry, and he is a stick in the mud owner. He threatens to kind of shut this tea shop down, and it's just a cutesy, romancy story, so I thought this would be cool. And okay, I don't know how I feel about this. I have no clue what this is. And then I have one Amazon package, and I don't even know what's in here, to be fair. Oh yeah, right. It's My True Love Gave to Me, edited by Stephanie Perkins. Well, it got a little dent there, which is kind of sad, but yeah, this is a short story collection full of Christmassy tales. So 12 winter romances. And I thought I'd try this. I'm not a huge romance reader, but Christmas time I'm kind of in the mood, so yeah. Okay, now this was a crazy video. I'm absolutely overwhelmed. Actually, I'm getting a headache because I got so excited. Yeah, if you want me to do a video playing with the eyeshadow palette, the blushes and the lipsticks that I got, let me know down below, because I think I might do that soon. Yes, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing me so excited. If you liked it, leave a nice comment or a thumbs up. If you're subscribed, I will talk to you soon. Bye.
Mm-hmm.